Hi, Peter Robertson from William Porches Properties. Welcome to 60 The Avenue here in Nedlands. This property is rarer than hen's teeth. It is a big single level home close to the river, high ceilings, huge rooms, an abundance of space and light. Let's have a look through. One of the key attributes of this home is that we've got two fantastic and huge living spaces. Here we are in the front formal room. This is fairly central to the house and looks out over that north-facing courtyard. Then we have this second living area, which is the lounge dining. It's a servery through from the kitchen. It is lighted, it is bright, it looks into the garden. It's a more casual space, a fantastic second option as a living area. We have a modern, new, white, bright, beautiful kitchen with European appliances and lots of storage. Being a single level home, we've got beautiful bedrooms, obviously all on the ground floor. This is the main bedroom suite. It is huge, it looks into the garden. It's got a beautiful ensuite bathroom and a walk-in dressing room. Last but not least, we've got this beautiful north-facing sheltered courtyard. The house connects and opens up to this space. It is a beautiful area for outdoor dining, entertaining year-round, and of course we are so close to the river, it's literally a stone's throw away. So that's it folks, 60 The Avenue here in Nedlands, fully fenced, fully secure, unbelievably convenient. We cannot wait to show you through.